Here we come to the freight elevator at Weston 1 in Cary, North Carolina. Interesting call station. These are classic, it's got classic Dover traditional as well. And that music is still audibly clear that I can hear it well all the way from over here. Anyways, here's the elevator. Wow, this thing's, oh my gosh, this thing is tall. This is a tall elevator. Oh, I literally just almost hit the alarm. I can't believe it. I literally just almost hit the alarm. Thank God I stopped myself just in time. Oh, still going down. Oh, that's the lowest floor. We can go. Let's go to... I don't want to go to either of those floors. Indicators all burned out on both sides. What's P1? Or I'm not sure if this is actually the lowest floor, but anyways, this is so tall. It's very tall for a freight elevator. But technically it's a service. Oh, here's the phone right here. 88 compliant. Oh, now it's pointing up. That was weird. For a second, the first time we came down here, it was literally pointing down. We were already, yet we are already on the lowest floor. Oh, the call button's right here. Oh, you have to have a key. Can't call from down here, but anyways, I think we're gonna go ahead and the lobby. Is this open? Both sides. Nope, that's the control room. We're not gonna get off here. I think we're gonna go back to where I started. I'm not gonna get off on this floor. Or we're gonna go ahead and get off on this floor right here. But this is worth checking out. Oh, nope. No, that's not the right floor. Where did I... Gosh, I'm literally confused. I'm so confused. Yes. All right, this is the right floor. This is the right floor I got on. Anyways, gonna watch it close. All right, it will close up. All right, there it goes. And that's it.